Gaines a la carte presents Strawberry Vanilla Frozen Yogurt Protein Bars. 114 calories, 13 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fat. You'll need 1 32-ounce strawberry Greek yogurt, 10 scoops vanilla whey protein powder, 2 cups strawberry vanilla granola, and 1 cup diced strawberries. You'll also need a silicone bar mold, link in the description. Dice the strawberries into small chunks. Fresh or frozen is fine. Add the yogurt to a large mixing bowl. Then, add the protein powder and mix until smooth. Mix in strawberries and granola. Evenly distribute the yogurt mix into the silicone mold. Transfer the molds to the freezer. Allow at least 2 hours to freeze. Press on the bottom of the molds to push the bars out.